Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a search a map in Qgis. So you can see we have the map face, we have the title, we have the legend, we have the inset map, and we have other marginal information. So please feel free to uh, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So to begin with, we shall just load our Qgis. So I shall navigate to my Qgis and open a new project. So this is our Qgis. I shall open a new project. So this is a new project. So at the browser panel, I shall just load my data of interest. So before the end of this lecture, you shall know how to load the shapefile, the raster layers, and how to make a map by clipping and how to arrange our map layout. So I shall load my data quickly by double clicking at the shape files or just drag and drop them from the browser panel. So ensure they have the same coordinate system. So this is our rules. Now I can load even the points features are preset by the empty sectors, and maybe I can load raster layers by double clicking at the div extension. So if it does not visualize such a browser panel, you can just right click to your at this top part of QGIS. So they appear here. You can just highlight on them or make a tick there. So this is our area of this is data that we are going to use. So let us clip our area of interest. Let us click the area of interest. So let's say our area of interest is this one here. So we can just go to, or we can maybe change the field color by double clicking on the color position. Then I click on simple and put it to transparent fill, then apply. So at this point, click on select a feature tool, then click at the drop down, click on select a feature, select to the feature of your interest. Now to clip it, go to vector, your processing tool, and click on clip. So it is as we see, so we are clipping this one here using the selected feature. So you can just run, and our area of interest when and the process is complete, we shall have a clipped area here. So we can just click on close, and when I put off this data, you can see we are left with our area of interest. So I can just rename it to AOI. So now we can clip the reverse data, or maybe we can begin with the L sectors that are available in our area of interest. So we can just go to vector, your processing tool, ensure that the input feature is our health sector or health features, and we overlay it to our area of interest. So I can click on run, and the process is successful. So these are our health features that are available in our area of interest. So I can just call them maybe hospitals. Okay, just rename them to OC. So these are our hospitals. So the next thing we are going to clip is the runes. So I shall just click on vector, geoprocessing tool, just click on clip. So our input layer is the runes. Okay. So yeah, we are inputting the runes, and we shall overlay them to our area of interest, and shall click run. And the process is complete, our area of interest. So this is our runes. I am just renaming them by right clicking, then go to rename button. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do We are going to load our rivers or to clip our rivers for our area of interest due to your processing tool. Then clip, then Kenya rivers or the rivers of your data sets. So these are our rivers. You can just right click and name them to rivers. Okay, that is how we can do that. So the next step, we are going to uh, extract the raster of our area of interest. So we shall just go to raster extraction, and then we shall clip by mask. Then our input layer shall be our DEM, which is a raster layer, and our mask layer shall be our area of interest. Now ensure that the target coordinate system is that one of that your data is in. So the process was successful. So, and when I turn this one off, you can visualize this is our raster layer of our area of interest. So I need to tell you that today you shall know even how to change the color of our raster layers in Qgis. So you can just double tap at this point. Okay, you can just double tap, go to symbology, then input on single band pseudocode. Then here you can select any color RAM of your choice, for example, the spectral, the turbo, and maybe you can visualize all other color RAMs from this point of all color RAMs. So maybe you can use turbo, and I can click on apply and okay. So you can visualize them successfully. So that is how you can change the color. You can make even the inversion of your colors by just double clicking and highlighting on the invert colors button. Okay, so let's visualize our features of our area of interest by just dragging and dropping uh, our raster below our area of interest. So you can check on symbology, maybe by double tapping, then go to for the runes. You can just use a red color maybe, then apply. Maybe you can add its width, apply, then okay. So these are our runes. Maybe you can check on our rivers by double clicking, then we can assign a blue color. Can assign a blue color, and you can apply. Maybe we can also add so those are rivers. So you can see that our rivers are lay on the top of our runes, which is not advisable. So we can just drag and drop our rivers below the runes, and now it is a success. So the next step we are going to do, we are going to make a map using this our area of interest. So you can just go to project, then a new print layout, assign name, for example our area of interest, and this is our layout page. So at this point you can add items. You can navigate to these items here, the pan items, the zoom items, and the other items, and the title, the legend, the scale bars, the north arrow, they appear at this point. So we are going to add our map. So you can just click on add map. So this is our map. This is our map. You can visualize our map. So you can just make some adjustment for the scale, for example to 50. Let's see. This is large scale, so you can just put it 40 maybe. Let's use a 30. Maybe we can use 5. Okay, so instead of using 5, maybe you can use 1. You can just make an adjustment of your scale as fit as possible. So to move the map, you can just click at this arrow and move it inside. You can just use this button, this one here. So I think our scale is becoming better. Okay, I think our scale is becoming better. So let it appear like that. So the next step we are going to add is our legend. Let our legend appear at this point. So this is our legend. So to adjust the information in the legend, we can just come here and maybe do away with a much of this data that we are not using. So our legend shall be now better. Okay, so we can just cut and maybe we can add the legend once more. Add item and legend. So come at this point, so you can just load our legend. So you can see our legend now. It is better. So you can resize and fit your content. So maybe the font. You can use the font of your title as you wish. The alignment of your data. You can resize them. Maybe the alignment of your font. As you see, so it is perfect. Maybe the frame, you can just increase the number of the frame of your legend. So let us give it a title. That is the title of our legend. We can check on the font once more for our title. Okay, align it at the center, and maybe we can increase its height. You can choose the font from this point.